divide into 4 identical rectangles, the perimeter of each one of these rectangles is 20. So you can see that there are 4 rectangles, equal rectangles, okay? So these are the 4 equal rectangles and the perimeter of each is 20. So let's say this is X and this is L. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus X is equals to 20. This is given? Yes or no, everyone? 2 times of, so one rectangle perimeter is given, so 2L plus 2X is 20. That means L plus X comes out to be 10. Now we have to find the perimeter of this square. So this is nothing but X, X, X. This is L, this is X, 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 X. So the perimeter of square is the outer surface of this particular figure. So square perimeter is equals to 2 times of L plus 8 times of X. Yes or no, everyone? So what is the perimeter of the square we have to find? So what we can do, how we can manipulate this to get this? You can write it in, means what else you can do to get the exact value of the perimeter, everyone? Right now you can see that it is L, L and 8x. But you know that this is a square. Yes or no?
But we can write L as 4x.
Yes. So you know that it is a square. That means L is equal to 4x. This length is equals to this length. So L is equals to 4x. So if you put here 4x plus x equals to 10. So 5x is equals to 10. So x comes out to be 2. So what is the value of L comes out to be? L comes out to be 8. 4 into 2, 8. Yes or no? So the side perimeter of square you can directly find by 4 times of L. Because this is L, this is L, this is also L, this is also L. So 4 times of 8, which comes out to be 32, everyone. Understood?